Welcome to Java Code Academy. In this video, we will learning Java conditional statement. One of the most important concept in any programming, Java, C or Python, any program. This is the most important concepts in any program. Now today, let's discuss about Java conditional statement. Conditional statements allows to make decision based on conditions like if, else if, nested if are there. We move to the next slide. What are the conditional statements? They allows a program to make decision based or on true or false conditions. The first one of the if statement, it runs on when the condition is true. Next is the else statement which runs when the condition is false. Now we execute only the when the condition is true if A greater than B. Now we move to the once it executes in my IntelliJ ID. My IntelliJ is ID is opening now. Remove the code. I execute the if A greater than B. System dot println. When the condition is true, it gives the true. Whenever the condition is false, and give the condition is false. False. Now we run the code. Try to see. Yeah, you have to see it now. A greater than B. A is greater than B now. It condition will be true. It print the true. Now move to the another one. Then move to the else statement. Okay. Else statement. When the execute if condition is false, you are the execute the condition is when if condition is false, then move to the else condition. That will be written the false. If condition is true, then become is a true. What is the value is true? Elif ladder. Then we have the else if ladder, which allows multiple condition to be checked on by one. It is check whether the multiple conditions if else statements when if is or false. Either if else if we execute that also. Here no space and A greater than B. Now we sorry curly braces. If the condition is true, now we will execute the condition is check the one by one of the multiple conditions. Then we else if ladder which allows multiple condition to be checked one by one. Next we go to the else if nested if. We can also create a nested if statements where one if statement is inside another if statement. This is called the nested if statement. When the asking the in interview, what is nested if. You say that simply. We can also create a nest if statements where one if statement is inside another if statement. These condition structures help Java decide what to do next, how your program should behave. Let's see a few simple examples and understand it clearly. We have to move the some basic comfort condition. We execute it. Executes. Move to the print. I think it is now class. What is the class name? Hello. We execute the if statement. Public static void main string args int age equals to 18. What I am declaring int is age is 18. If write a if condition, if age greater than or equals to 18, then system dot println is you go to vote. Sorry, you are eligible to vote. Eligible to vote. Else system dot put dot println of you are not eligible to vote. Now here I created the one. I created it here inputs and out scanner. Let's see equals to new scanner system dot in int age equals to sc dot and next enter. This is this this scanner is used to the input and output for user the input and output functions. When we are created the one program, we have to check the condition will be true or false. I give the 19. Yeah, you see the output. You are eligible to vote. Once again, we run the code with 14 years. You have a 14 years. We have checked the code. How to the execute when the class first is the main is the class. Next, we go to the main method. When we when we give the input, then go to the program is it store the age. It store the age value. It is a 14. Now next step is if condition go to the if condition age is 14 greater than or equals to 18. If condition is false, then go to the else statement. It will be execute. You are not eligible to vote. This is the if conditions and same as like if else statements. You have to practice more examples in online also there na there you have to practice it now. Today this topic is completed. Thank you. Thank you for Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next lesson. Next lesson we discuss about loops. We completed the decision making topic. It is a statements, conditional statements are done today. You have to practice these also. I explained those if else statements. You can practice else if, nested else if also. You can practice on your more get idea. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel and like, share. Thank you.